So now that you guys have these in order, if you will flip your graphic organizer over to the back and look at question 1. Question 1 says, some say that the election process can be divided into 2 games, the nomination game and the general election game. Describe each of these 2 phases and explain how they differ. Also, how does front-loading impact the process? Go ahead and underline or highlight or circle the word front-loading, okay? Just in case you didn't pick up on the definition of that. If you'll flip your paper back to the front before we answer this question. If you look along the bottom of your graphic organizer, you have some dates. It says February, and then January, and then we got November, then we got December, then we got January. It's a little bit confusing, okay? This is kind of like a general timeline. Front-loading is the phenomenon of states having their primary or their caucus earlier and earlier in the election season. Okay? So that's not a mistake that it says February, January, because I'm talking about like these different time periods. So one February, and then the following January, and then the following January. So front-loading is just where states like Iowa and New Hampshire have tended to have their caucus or their primary earlier and earlier in this process. And so you want to think about how it is that front-loading affects this whole thing. Okay, so back to your discussion question. You guys take about 4 to 5 minutes to formulate a response. You may work as a table if you like, and then we will move on.